Welcome to AlphaCars in Ural of New England. Today I'm in our service center and we are doing some reconditioning on a very exciting and rare Ural. So this is a Gaucho Rambler. It's a 2013 model, and if I'm not mistaken, Ural only made 50 of these. And they even came with some cool add-ons like a camping kit with like a tea kettle and a blanket as well, like a camping blanket. So ultra rare, ultra cool bike with some cool accessories on it. Some awesome graphics. You can see the custom seat covers there, and even the fuel canister on the back is color matched. So just a super cool bike. So this bike already had mechanical work done. Now we're doing some cosmetic work, which is why it's on the lift and disassembled. Even the sidecar interior is removed. So what we're doing is applying a factory-like chip guard or protective undercoating to the bike. We can see that black coating on the underside of the sidecar. It's also on the underside of the front fender. If I get a light here, I can show you that a lot better. There we go. It's on the underside of the sidecar fender as well. Also, the whole inside floor pan of the sidecar. And we can see how nicely it follows the contours of everything. Really done in a factory way. So of course, this is something we can do to your Ural to improve its longevity and really add value to it as well. So this is very much like the modern Urals, the chip guard you can get on those right from the factory. So this bike is in really nice shape. It does have a little over 8,000 kilometers on it, which is a little over 5,000 miles. So it is used quite a bit, and the owner continues to plan on using it, which is why we're doing this work. So of course he wanted to increase the longevity on it. And because it's been used, we can see some wear marks from how he has specifically used it. There's a few little chips here. So the undercoating, the chip guard, this is all done. But the next step is we need to get the bike on the ground, get the wheels back on. We're gonna wash it and then assess the paint a little bit better. We already know some of the areas that we're gonna touch up, but we're gonna do some refinishing on this paint and really get this bike looking even nicer than it already is. And now the Gaucho Rambler is all done, it's all set, ready to pick up, and it looks amazing. Our reconditioning specialist did an awesome job color matching some of the paint where we touched it up and gave it a little polish. And I will, as our full disclosure here at AlphaCars, I will show there is still a little bit of scuffing right here in the sidecar. We did polish it up a little bit. It does look a lot better, but ultimately it's up to the vehicle owner, and they wanted to just leave it like that because that's just gonna get scuffed again the moment they start using the vehicle. So I did just wanna show you that. And then if we look in our sidecar trunk, if we remember, there was some big like chips here. And of course, touching things up, it's not gonna be absolutely perfect, but unless you have a trained eye, it's really hard to notice. And then of course now the mat is back in, some of the things like the toolkit, the air pump is back in, but we have this nice textured rubberized chip guard that will protect the inside of the sidecar as well as underneath the sidecar, and of course the fenders as I had showed you. And of course we did a full detail on it in addition to some of the paint touch-up. So really it looks almost like a different bike now. And this being such a limited model, we're really happy with the outcome. We know the customer is going to be exceptionally happy as well. So I want to thank you for watching this short video. If you've got motorcycle or Ural and you need service or even detailing, reconditioning, we do specialize in all those things. So give us a call, 978-263-9000, or send us an email to service@alphacars.com. But this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough Service Center. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe so then you don't miss out on the latest motoring content.